Hello, good evening everyone. In the previous class, that is a discussion about the concepts of dimension. What is the definition of dimension? How to write the dimensional formula? And what is the advantages of dimensions? Dimension means the raising of a powers. The raising of a powers is called dimension. The exponential powers is rising, or the rising of exponential powers, that is also called dimension. There are so many examples is there. All derived quantities is the examples of what? Dimensions. And how to write the dimensional formula? By using a basic definition or SI units to solve the dimensional formula. What is the dimensional? What is the dimension can be written as? It is orderly written as the fundamental quantities: mass, length, time, current, luminous intensity, and temperature. Okay, na? And what is the advantages of dimensional formula? There are three applications, advantages of dimensional formula. First one is to check the correctness of the given equation. Second one is to convert one unit of a physical quantity to another unit of a physical quantity. Third one is to deduce the connections or to deduce the relations between the all physical quantities. All physical quantities. These are the advantages of dimensional analysis. And next, one more concept, last concept is measuring instruments. Last concept is measuring instruments. Measuring instruments. There are that is your according to your syllabus is there are it is consist of two measuring instruments. One is vernier calipers. Vernier calipers. Second one is screw gauge. Screw gauge. The vernier calipers, that is also called slide calipers. Slide calipers. Okay, now there are the two measuring instruments. Example, measuring instrument means example is a better example is a scale. It is scale. It is used to measure the length of the any object in centimeter, in inches, in mm, in meter. Okay, na? In this syllabus, there are two measuring instruments. One is the vernier calipers. One more is screw gauge. Vernier calipers, it is also called slide calipers. Second one is screw gauge. Okay, na? Study by, that is one by one. The first measuring instrument is vernier calipers. Vernier calipers, that is also called slide calipers. First, what is the meaning of vernier calipers? Definition. What is the definition of vernier calipers? The vernier calipers means it is a measuring instrument. It is a measuring instrument. It is used to measure the dimensions. It is used to measure the dimensions, such as the dimensions means such as length, diameter, volume, and thickness. These are the dimensions of a by using a measuring instrument to find the dimensions of a given instrument, given object. That is the definition of vernier calipers. The vernier, one more second, the definition of a vernier calipers means it is a measuring instrument. It is used to measure the dimensions of a given object. Object means it is any solid material or hollow cylinder, solid cylinder, or wire, any objects. That is the object. That means what is the height of the object? What is the area of the object? What is the length of the object? What is the internal external diameter of the object? What is the thickness? What is the volume? That is the use of the vernier calipers. It is a measuring instrument. It is used to measure the dimensions of a given object, such as length, diameter, volume, area, thickness of the objects. That is the definition of vernier calipers. See, the vernier calipers it consists of two scales. There are two scales of vernier calipers. One is mine scale reading or mine scale division, that is called MSD. Mine scale MSD means mine scale division or MS, both are same. Second one is vernier scale division, CVD, coincide vernier division, that means CVD, vernier scale division, vernier scale division. That is the small scales of it is consist of the vernier calipers is consist of two scales. One is MSR, another one is CVD. It is consist of mine scale and vernier scale. Vernier scale means there is a small scale. It is a small scale, and the mine scale it is called fixed scale. It is vernier calipers means it is a measuring instrument. It is a unit of vernier calipers that is the centimeter. Centi. Centi means what is the prefix of centi? 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay now, what is the definition of vernier calipers? What is the examples? And what is the vernier calipers consist? See, the diagram shows this is called vernier calipers. This diagram is called vernier calipers. See, this is called 0 to 12 centimeter, or 0 to some instruments is 0 to 15 centimeter. That is the mine scale reading. The big scale is called mine scale reading. See, this is the total number of lines is 10 divisions. That is the lower scale. Upper scale is that is also total number of lines is divisions is 10 divisions. That is a vernier scale division. CVD, that is called CVD, the small scale. The total number of vernier scale divisions is 10 divisions. The 0 to 12 or 15 centimeter, that is called mine scale reading. This is called object. And CD, there is a CD part is called, that is the upper jaw, and AB part is called lower jaw. CD is upper jaw. What is the use of upper jaw? It is used to measure the internal diameters, inner diameter of the given object. AB is called, that is lower jaw, that is called it is used to measure the outer external diameters of the given objects, and this is called screw. When rotates this screw, this is a fixed jaw. This part is called B and D. That is a movable jaw, not fixed jaw. B and D, the part is called, that is movable jaw, and C and A is called, that is fixed jaw. That is C and A, this part is called does not move left and right side, but the part of the D and B is movable. It rotates left and right sides. Okay now, this is screw. When you rotates this screw, the B part it moves left and right sides. Okay now, that is the MSR reading. Note down the MSR and CVD readings. That is when you fix the object and tight it the B part, and note down the MSR and CVD part. That is MSR means how to find out the MSR. The first division of a vernier scale division, that is a 0. This is called 10. The zero value is the zero value of a first division of a vernier scale division. The zero division of a vernier scale division is coincide with mine scale reading. mind scale reading. That reading is called MSD or MSR. See in this diagram, what is the value? That is 0, that is called 1, this is called 1, this is the first line of this CVD. What is the value? That is called 2.5. Big line is called 2, 2.53, that is called 2.4. The lies between 4, 0.4, 0.5 is called, that is 4. 2.4 is the MSR. 2.4 is the MSR. When I fixed the object, note on the screw is rotated left side, note down the MSR reading. How to find the CVD reading? The total number of divisions is 10 divisions. The any one line, one division is exactly coincide with mind scale. Exactly coincide with mind scale. That reading is called CVD. The total number of 1 year scale divisions is 10. First check the 0 value, it is coincide or not. Check the 1 and it is not 0.1. First line is 0, second line is 1, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Write the directly line number, division number. That is called CVD. That is the total number of divisions is 10 divisions. The one of the division, one of the line is exactly coincide with mind scale. That reading is called what? CVD reading. That is called CVD reading. This is the labeling parts of a given instrument. That is called, this instrument is called vernier calipers. That is also called what? That is slide calipers. What is the parts? It is consist of the vernier calipers is, it is consist of the 0 to 12 centimeter, that is the mind scale reading. The total number of divisions is 10 divisions, that is the CVD scale. S is the screw, okay na. AB part is the lower jaw, CD part is the upper jaw, and the movable jaw D and B, that is called movable jaw, and CA part is called fixed jaw. Fixed jaw. This is the parts of a vernier calipers. Next, this is the diagram, and what is the principle of the in this instrument? Principle. The vernier calipers is acts as a principle of vernier. The principle of the vernier calipers is acts as vernier, or the nth, one more principle is the nth divisions of a VSD, vernier scale divisions, is equal to n minus 1th divisions of a mind scale divisions, or VSD is equal to n minus 1 by n. This nth, now integers, n means integer, it is shifted that side, that is a reciprocal, into MSD, or VSD is equal to n get cancelled, that is called 1 minus 1 by n MSD. That means the principle of the vernier scale is VSD, the vernier scale divisions must be is equal to 1 minus 1 by nth of a mind scale divisions, or the principle of the vernier calipers is it works on the principle of vernier. That is the principle of the vernier calipers. Okay now. Next, what is the formula? The formula, that is total reading formula, is that is total reading is equal to, that is the relations between the MSR and CVD is MSR plus CVD into LC. And total reading, TR means total reading, is equal to mind scale reading plus bracket open vernier scale divisions coincide vernier scale divisions into LC. How to find LC? First, the LC. It is a total vernier calipers formula, that is total reading. Total reading is equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. LC means least count. That means LC means least count. What's the meaning of least count? Least count means the smallest value of a given instrument. That is, finally, it is a calculation part. After the do the experiment. After the experiment, the calculation part will get the single answer will get. the single answer will get. That answer is a very small value. That is a very small value. That is a 10 power minus 2 meter. 10 power minus 2 meter. The unit of vernier calipers is centimeter. Centi means 10 power minus 2. That value is a very small value. That is called least count. The least count means it is the smallest value. The smallest value, it is the smallest value can be calculated by using a vernier calipers. The lowest value is called least count. Lowest value is called least count. What is the least count of vernier calipers? Least count of vernier calipers. Least count of vernier calipers. The least count of vernier calipers means least count is equal to value of 1 MSD. Value of 1 MSD, 1 main scale division divided by total number of VSD, vernier scale divisions. VSD, total number of VSD and CVD both are same. The least count of a vernier calipers is defined as the ratios of value of 1 MSD divided by total number of vernier scale divisions. Total number of vernier scale divisions. How to find the least count value? How to find the value of the 1 MSD? The value of 1 MSD means that is the total units of the vernier calipers is 15 centimeter. See, in this diagram, vernier scale. The vernier scale consists of two scales. One is main scale. This is called main scale. My question is, what is the value of 1 MSD? That means, what is the value of 0 to first line to second line? First line to second line. That is the first is 1 centimeter. Second centimeter. 3 centimeter. 4 centimeter. My question is, what is the value of 1 MSD? That means first line to second line. This is called 2. This is called 1. This is called 0.5. What is the one line to another line? What is the distance? That is called 0.1. The difference between first line to second line is called, that is 0.1. 0.1. What is the unit? Centimeter. 0.1 centimeter. That is the value of 1 MSD. That is the value of a 1 MSD is 0.1 centimeter. What is the total number of vernier scale divisions? The total number of VSD. That is a VSD means that is a small scale. Small scale. That is a fixed scale. Sorry, not movable scale. That is the movable scale. That is total number of lines is 10 divisions. 10 divisions. Calculate as the least count. The least count of a vernier calipers is equal to LC means least count is equal to the value of 1 MSD is, that is a 0.1. The total number of vernier scale divisions is 10 divisions. Calculate, that is a 0.01 centimeter. The 0.01 centimeter is called the least count value of a vernier calipers. Least count value of a vernier calipers. Once again, this is called observation part. First, what is the definition of a least count? The least count means the smallest value is find the given instrument. The lowest value is called least count. What is the meaning of least count of a vernier calipers? The least count of a vernier calipers is the ratios of the value of 1 MSD to total number of vernier scale divisions. First, to find the value of 1 MSD. The value of a 1 MSD means that is the value is 0.1 centimeter. The total number of vernier scale divisions is 10 divisions. Find the least count value. Now least count is equal to 0.1 divided by 10 will get 0.01. Unit is important, centimeter. This is the observation part. That is the concept of least count of a vernier calipers. The least count of the value of a vernier calipers, the least count value of the vernier calipers is 0.01 centimeter. This is the full description of a First one is vernier calipers. Full description of a vernier calipers. Okay, now this is what is the advantages of in this instrument. The advantages of vernier calipers is, first advantage is it is used to measure the diameters of a solid cylinders. It is used to measure the diameters of a solid cylinder. That means what? Internal and external diameters. And the vernier calipers is, it is used to measure the volume of a solid cylinders. And one more is, it is used to find the diameter of a solid spheres. These are the advantages of vernier calipers. That is, the advantages of vernier calipers is, it is used to measure the dimensions such as the internal and external diameters of a alloy cylinders, and to find the diameter of a solid cylinder, to find the volume of a given sphere, solid sphere. These are the advantages of that is vernier calipers. Okay, now once again, the concept is measuring instrument. The measuring instrument, that is, there are two, according to your syllabus, there are two measuring instruments. First one is vernier calipers, that is also called slide calipers. The vernier calipers means it is a measuring instrument. It is used to measure the dimensions of a given object. Such as length of the object, diameter of the object, thickness of the object, okay now, or volume of the object. And the vernier calipers is consist of two scales. One is a fixed scale. Fixed scale is called minor scale reading. The movable scale, that is also called small scale, that is called vernier scale division. A coincide vernier scale division, that is called MSR and CVD. Next, what is the principle of in this vernier calipers? The principle of the vernier calipers is, it works on the principle of vernier. Or the nth divisions of a vernier scale division must be is equal to n minus 1th divisions of a minor scale division. The nth divisions of a vernier scale divisions must be is equal to n minus 1th divisions of a minor scale division. Simplify this equation. The n is shifted that side, that is n minus 1 by n, n get cancelled, 1 minus 1 by n, that is MSD. Therefore, the VSD is equal to 1 minus 1 by n of a minor scale reading. How to? By using a formula, that is to measure the MSR and CVD, the relation between minor scale reading and vernier scale reading. The direct formula is total reading is equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. With brackets is important. Total reading is equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. How to find LC? LC means, that is called least count. Least count means it is the smallest value is called least count. Lowest value is called least count. The lowest value is, find the lowest value by using a measuring instrument. That is least count. Least value is called least count. And what is the least count of vernier calipers? The least count of a vernier calipers means the value of a 1 MSD divided by total number of vernier scale divisions. The value of a 1 minor scale division divided by total number of vernier scale divisions. How to find value of 1 MSD? Mine scale is it consists of total 15, 12 or 15 centimeter, 0 to 12 or 15. Some instruments is 12 centimeter, some instruments is 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. First line to second line, that is a 0.1. 0.1 is what? What is the unit of 0.1? That is centimeter. 0.1 is the centimeter. That means the total number of a what? The total number of a 1 year scale division is what? That is 10. The total number of a 1 mm scale reading, 1 mine scale division is called 0.1 centimeter. And the total number of mines 1 year scale divisions is that is called small scale. That is also called movable scale. That is 10 divisions, 10 lines, 10 lines. Calculate the least count. Calculate the value of least count of 1 year calipers. Least count is equal to the value of 1 MSD is 0.1 divided by total number of 1 year scale divisions 10. Finally, we will get 0.01 centimeter. 0.01 centimeter. What is the advantages of 1 year calipers? What is the advantages of 1 year calipers? What is the advantage? The 1 year calipers is it is used to measure the thickness. It is used to measure the diameters of a solid cylinder. That is one application. The 1 year calipers is it is used to measure the internal and external diameters of a solid cylinder. How to find internal? Internal means it is by using a upper jaw. By using a upper jaw. External diameter means that is also called outer diameter. That is a lower jaw. Lower jaw. That is the second advantage. It is used to the 1 year calipers is it is used to measure the internal and external diameters of a hollow cylinder. Hollow, both sides is all. That is both sides of is opened. The object is opened. That means find the diameter of a cylinder. Next one is to find by using a 1 year calipers to find the diameter of a solid sphere or volume of a solid sphere. That is volume of a solid sphere. These are the advantages of 1 year calipers. These are the advantages of 1 year calipers. Next, the second instrument is called screw gauge. The second instrument is called screw gauge. Second one is screw gauge. The second one is screw gauge. The screw gauge means it is also measuring